In this tutorial we will learn how to make a DC motor encoder to count optical encoder interrupts using a module FC-03, DC motor, OLED display and Visuino. For this project you will need a DC motor with a wheel for encoder, a module FC-03, a battery for the motor, OLED display, Arduino and Visuino. Wire everything according to this schematic. Go to visuino.eu and download and install Visuino software. Start Visuino and select the Arduino board, in our case it's Arduino Uno. Add counter component. Add OLED display component. Select counter 1 and in the properties set minimum value to 0. Double-click on the display OLED 1 and in the elements window drag draw text to the left side. Select draw text 1 and in the properties window set size to 2 and text to steps. In the Elements window drag text field to the left and in the Properties window set size to 3 and Y to 30. Close the Elements window. Connect counter 1 pin out to display OLED 1 text field 1 pin in. Connect display OLED 1 I2C pin out to Arduino board pin I2C in. Connect Arduino board digital pin 10 to counter 1 pin in. Click on the Send to Arduino button. In Arduino make sure you selected the board and port, then click on the Upload button.